Hi everybody. Okay, I did a pour and I don't care for it, so I took my paint from the sides, put it back on top, took my little spatula and I went like this around it just to smooth it out. I added some more white paint on top and then I did that. So I'm going to do another one. I wasn't happy with how it blew out. The colors were great, so I'm going to do it again. But I'm going to use a different blower this time. Just trying to figure out. Okay, let's put the Carmen Red down first by ARTEZA. I used a different end on this blower and I didn't care for it, so I need to practice more with that. So I will, maybe I'll put my other end on and I'll put my funnel back on it. Try that. I've done it with the funnel on it before. So we'll see. This is Amsterdam Orange. Azo Orange. And what else was on there? Some Quinacridone Gold Hue by DECO Art mixed in with the orange. I'll put some yellow on top of the orange. Oh, I forgot to put the gold underneath. I did gold underneath last time. That's okay, I'll put the gold on top. This is Pebeo Iridescent Gold. Excuse me. Oh, the magenta. Oh, I guess I'm going to put that on the top. I think that's what I did last time. This is... Excuse me. Permanent Magenta by Winsor & Newton. All right, I'll put some white first. Give it a good shake. Whoa. Well, that's much better than my last attempt. You get used to one. I'm so used to using my mini blower and I try something new, I'm out of practice. So that's the way it goes. Cells are really pretty. I'm just waiting for the middle to settle back down. It'll come together. I'll do some did put a lot of cell activator in the middle. It's coming. See how stuck it is. I'm going to do a little more. Closer in. Okay, let's see what we get. All right, there's my... Paper towel just ran away on me. Weird. It's pretty. I don't like what I did here. I'll bring it this way a little more. I guess I should spin it some more. pretty. Spin it the other way. Well, what do you think? This is really pretty. I like this one. There's some funky looking cells in there. Look at that. They're almost like human cells. There's double cells, peacock cells. Let's see how much it's moving. I'll give it one more spin and then I think we're good. There, I think that's pretty nice. These colors are a joy. There you go. Thanks for watching my video. Give these colors a try. They're so pretty. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. That would be awesome. Thanks for subscribing if you have. And yeah, come back to Carol's Art Room. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Hi, everybody. Here is my dried cradle canvas. Dried awesome. I really like it. Pretty. There you go. There's my dried one. Thanks for watching and have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.